Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and we are back at CVS for a brand new 2-week ad. Because Valentine's Day was in the last ad, they did do a 1-week ad and now we have a brand new 2-week ad starting this week. So it should go from the 15th of February all the way through the 28th. We do have some decent deals this week, nothing insane, but there's a couple really good deals that I want to throw into a rolling extra buck scenario. And I did post this on my short form video, but I did get a couple of % off CRTs and shockingly a $25 off $100 CRT on my main CVS account that I do heavily coupon on. It just showed up out of nowhere. So I don't know what that's all about, but I just opened my app. It was not an email coupon. I just opened my app and I saw it there and my jaw hit the floor. I think it showed up on Monday of last week. So make sure you're always checking your CVS account throughout the week in the app where the CRTs are at the top of the savings section to see if you're getting these, because you could be missing them if you're not checking your app throughout the week. And then also randomly 10% off CRTs popped up there. So I have no idea what's going on, but all I have to say is CVS, keep it up. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've also been getting spend CRTs and whether they've been through email or if they've just been showing up in your account. Let me know if you've been getting % off CRTs and how you're getting those, and let me know like how heavily couponed your account is or how long you've had it, so we can kind of get an idea of what we can expect and who's getting what. With all that being said, make sure you're following me on my short form platforms at kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled, on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, as well as here on YouTube Shorts for short form. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. Valentine's clearance has hit 50% off for non-food items and then 33% off for food items. And my manager did say that next Sunday we should be seeing 75% off. Hopefully that's what she thinks. I did scan a non-food item just to make sure, and it was ringing up for 50% off. And then I rang up a food item and it was ringing right about 33% off. Like I said, I got a 25 off 100 CRT that appeared magically in my account last week, so I'm going to use that. Fair warning, I remembered this week why I kind of don't miss getting high threshold CRTs. It's very easy to make a mistake with math or to grab a wrong item and pay more than you expect. I did grab a wrong item, so I'm going to show you guys what I accidentally grabbed and what you should grab instead if you do have a CRT this week. It was just a little mess up with the Palmer's deal. So I'm going to go through all of the deals that I'm going to throw into my 25 off 100 transaction and then the math as well. First, for our deal, we're going to throw in the Axe body wash that's $6.29 and buy one get one 50% off this week, as well as buy two get back a $3 extra buck. So grab two at $6.29, totaling $9.43, and we did just get a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So using that, you'll pay $4.43, get back your $3 extra buck, making two of them $1.43. Next up, we have a deal on soft soap body wash. They're $6.59 at my store. Buy two, get back a $4 extra buck, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So using that coupon, you'd pay $8.18. Getting back your $4 extra buck makes 2 bottles just $4.18. Apologies that my store has like no tags up, but we also have the Garnier Fructis that are 2 for $9. Buy two, get back a $4 extra buck, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $6, get back the $4, making 2 bottles just $2 or $1 each. The L'Oreal Elvive is on sale for $5.29 each this week, and buy two, get back a $2 extra buck, and it does include the new gloss shampoo and conditioner. So you can grab two totaling $10.58 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $6.58, get back the $2 extra buck for buying two, making two of these just $4.58. Again, this week we have the OGX buy one get one 40% off at $8.29 are the cheapest ones at my store. So grabbing two and using a 4 off 2 digital coupon, you'd be left to pay $9.26, and then you'll earn back a $4 extra buck on two, making 2 bottles just $5.26. The Neutrogena acne products are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab the cheapest item is the wipes at $10.19 and use a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $6.69, earning back that $5 extra buck. Would make one of these just $1.69. Another skincare deal is on Clean and Clear. Spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So if your store participates in the 98% rule, you can grab the acne spot treatment at $9.99. Use a $2 digital coupon and you'd be left to pay $7.99. And then you'll earn back the $5 extra buck, making your final cost just $2.99. If you don't have a spend CRT and you want to do a deal with the Activate Rewards Visa gift card promo that's good through the 28th of February, you can grab 2 of the OGX, the pink grapefruit wipes, and the Clean and Clear. These 4 items would total $33.44. You can use the 4 off 2 for the OGX, the $3.50 off for the Neutrogena, and the $2 off for the Clean and Clear, and you'd be left to pay $23.94, and then you'd earn back a total of $14 in extra bucks. It would be 4 for the OGX and 5 for each of the Neutrogena and the Clean and Clear. And you can submit your receipt for a $10 Visa gift card rebate from activaterewards.com/New Year. I'll have a link in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. And that would make all 4 items completely free after coupons, extra buck, and the Visa gift card. We have a deal on Crest and Oral-B and Scope this week, $3.99 each on sale. Buy 3, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 3 of either the toothbrushes, the smaller tubes of toothpaste, or the Crest mouthwash or Scope mouthwash, totaling $11.97. And we have a 5 off 3 digital, so you'd be left to pay $6.97. And then you'd earn back a $5 extra buck on 3, making all 3 products just $1.97. Okay, so here's where I made my mistake with my 25 off 100 transaction. I thought all Palmer's was included in the buy one, get one 50% off and buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck, but these skin items are not included. The only things that are included are the feet and the first aid. So what you're going to want to do is in the first aid section, grab 2 of the foot creams at $6.49. These are buy one, get one 50 and buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck. So 2 of these would total $9.73 and we have a $1.50 digital. You'd be left to pay $8.23, get back your $6 extra buck, making 2 of these products just $2.23. Okay, so this is my 25 off 100 CRT transaction with the L'Oreal, Axe Soft Soap, OGX, the Garnier Fructis, the Neutrogena Acne, the Clean and Clear, the Oral-B, and the Palmer's. But remember, grab the foot creams, not the lotions. I grabbed the wrong thing. So all of these items total $97.34 if you swap out the Palmer's. Now, that is not 98% of the way to $100 to have the 25 off 100 come off. However, my math was higher with the other lotions that are not buy one, get one 50 and buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck, of course. So you'd want to throw in something cheap if you do have the same CRT with the Palmer's foot creams. So again, $97.34 with the items I have here, swapping out the Palmer's. I'd have to throw in something cheap to get to $98 at least to use the 25 off 100. But with this math, with the coupons, I would pay $39.34. We have a total of $58 in coupons we're using. And then I'd get back the $10 Activate Rewards Visa gift card and $38 in extra bucks for all these deals. And with that math, this transaction would be an $8.65 moneymaker. For me, it's going to be much more expensive because I accidentally grabbed the regular Palmer's and I won't get the 50% off of the second item and I won't get back the $6 extra buck. A bunch of the different eye and makeup products are spend $15, get back a $5 extra buck this week. So I'm going to do Maybelline. And if my store would have had a mascara priced above $15, I would have grabbed that, but they didn't. So instead I grabbed one of the Great Lash at $8.59 and one of the twin brow pencils from Maybelline at $6.79, totaling $15.38. And then I'm going to use a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT as well as a $3 digital coupon. And I should be left to pay $9.38. Now we also have a CRT for a free 1+ other eyelash curler when you spend $15 on eye products. So I'm also going to use that CRT and it'll take off the full price of the eyelash curler as well. So I should be left to pay $9.38, earning back the $5 extra buck. And then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for a $2 rebate back for the Maybelline mascara. So that'll make my final cost for all 3 products just $2.38. I think that's a great deal. If you do not already have Ibotta, I'll have linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you submit for your first Ibotta offer, like this Maybelline mascara offer. The 6 packs of Dove bar soap are on sale for $10.99 each this week, and they're buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So if you like these, you can grab 2 totaling $21.98 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and you pay $16.98. Get back your $3 extra buck, making 2 of these $13.98 or $6.99 each. Nivea lotion is spend $20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab 3 of the 8-ounce lotions at $6.79, totaling $20.37, and use a $2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $18.37. Earning back the $10 extra buck would make all 3 lotions just $8.37. So a decent deal if you like Nivea lotion. Gain products are 2 for $15 this week for the bigger ones, so it includes the pods in the canister as well as the Gain liquid detergent, the bigger bottles, both 2 for $15. Also included are the beads. We have a $2 coupon 24 coupon for those, and the fabric softener, we have a $2 coupon 24 coupon for those as well, and the dryer sheets that we have a $2 digital coupon for. The cheapest way to do the deal is grabbing one Gain item. It could be any of the ones I just listed, and then one of the pods totaling $15. You can use a $2 coupon 24 coupon for the liquid in my example, and a $3 coupon 24 coupon for the pods, and you'd be left to pay $10 for both items, which is a great deal. I actually saw Coupon Torok Coupon Hunter on short form post a breakdown about how that final cost is cheaper than the store brand at Costco, so a really good deal. You can swap the liquid for any other Gain item and use a $2 coupon 24 coupon that we have for each of those items. Really good deal on the CVS Health bandages. Buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. The cheapest ones at my store are these ones at $3.99. Now, if you do have the Care Pass, they will ring up for 20% off with the 20% off CVS Health brand items coupon that automatically applies. So with that, 2 of them would be $6.38. You'd earn back the $5 extra buck, making 2 of them $1.38. Otherwise, you can grab 2 totaling $7.98. You'd pay that, earn back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. And if you didn't already use your $1 off 2 Kellogg's cereal digital coupon, you can grab 2 at $1.99 each again this week, totaling $3.98. And with the $1 off 2, it would make 2 boxes just $2.98 or just $1.49 each. Okay, so now into my 25 off of 100 transaction. Like I said, I messed up. I grabbed 2 of the Palmer's regular lotion instead of the foot creams or scrubs. So I paid significantly more than I should have, and I didn't even realize when I was checking out. Big mistake. Between cash and extra bucks, I paid around $45 out of pocket. And then instead of earning back the $38 in extra bucks that I should have earned, I only earned back $32 because I did not get the $6 back for the Palmer's. And then I'm going to submit for the $10 Activate Rewards gift card for the OGX, the Neutrogena, and the Clean and Clear, making my final cost just $3 for everything. I was debating returning the Palmer's and getting the right item, but honestly, for $3 for everything, it was still a decent deal. I know it would have been a moneymaker. I would say just if you do have one of these X dollars off 100 CRTs this week, make sure that you grab the correct items, including the correct Palmer's foot cream, and you will have a really, really good deal this week. If you did get a X dollar off $100 CRT, let me know in the comment section down below and what you're going to grab. And then I also picked up the CVS Health bandages, and I did get my 20% off. However, I used extra bucks to pay, so that lowered the amount the 20% off took off. So I ended up paying like $7 between cash and extra bucks, and then I earned back the $5 extra buck. I ended up making both bandages just about $2 or $1 each. So a better deal if you do not pay with extra bucks. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, please help me out by giving this video a like and commenting what you're going to be picking up this week, and I will catch you guys in next week's deals video.